sleep routine above the head. I'm going to go over some TCM acupressure and also some QRA, quick restorative acupressure, all combined to help you sleep. If you have problems sleeping, lay on your bed, lay on your pillow, get ready to sleep. You're going to start from your neck up. So where we're going to start is we're going to release some tension. You're going to start from the sides, your temples, okay? There is an acupressure point along your temples, but it doesn't matter. Jimmy Acu Sensei style is not about point location. It doesn't matter if you are in the right point location or not. What matters is that the point that you are massaging is tender. So you want to find the most tender spot around your temple and press in a little. This is you're laying on your pillow and you're pressing in a little and you're doing pressing in circles. Doesn't matter clockwise, counterclockwise. You're going to press, massage for 60 times. It's got to feel sore. You'll feel that tension, that neck tension, shoulder tension. And if you have a headache, it's starting to melt away. After 60 times, when you count to 60, if you haven't fallen asleep or you're not ready to fall asleep, don't worry. We'll continue to number 2. You're going to go to your eyebrows, roughly the center of your eyebrows. Does it have to be the center? No, it doesn't. Find the most tender spot along near the center of your eyebrows. Do this for 60 times, right? Massage in circles in 60 times. Okay, still not falling asleep? You're going to go to the inside of your eyebrows. So you started here around the center. Now you're going to go to the inside of your eyebrows. You might feel some little divots. Again, it is not the point location. It is the tender spots. That's Jimmy Acu Sensei style. It's the tender spots. The tender spots are what sends the best messages to your brain to calm your brain down. Okay? This will feel really sore, but it will release a lot of tension. If you have a headache, sinus headaches, any type of headaches, it will release it, right? The inside. You're still not asleep. No worries. Now we're going to go to the center. Again, the most tender spot is where you want to go. Do not be fixated on the center. It is not this point for everybody. For me, lower, see, a little lower, this is better. Yes, this is an acupressure point, but you don't need to know the name. It doesn't matter. It's the sensitivity that matters. Some people, it might be up here that's more sensitive. Do it for 60 times. See if you are relaxed and you're about to fall asleep. If you're not, no worries, right? You do this 60 times. Now you're going to relax your jaw. Some of y'all, your jaw is so clenched up. You're so stressed throughout the day, whether it's kids, work, whatever. Now you want to go to the side. You see this little flap in your ear? You're just going to go to the front of it, around there. Okay? And you're just going to massage this area. Find the most tender spot. Relax your jaw, and also is connected to your neck. So it will relax your neck as well. Do both sides 60 times. Now you may have multiple spots. It may be up here. It may be down here. Do each spot 60 times. Okay? Oh yeah, jaw is just, you may be starting to slur. Okay? Slurring is good. You can go to the top 60 times. Right? Oh yeah, that feels good. Yeah. Still not asleep? You almost there? Don't worry, I got you. Now your jaw is relaxed, your neck's relaxed, no headaches. Now we're going to go into the ear. We're going to go to the top of the ear. Top of the ear, find the most tender spot and just massage both ears. Since you're sleeping, right, you probably have your hands up like this so you can go up. Massage the top, this top part, okay? This top part. You massage the top. Is it a specific point? No, it's not a specific point. Remember, find the most tender spot and massage it for 60 seconds. Still not asleep. No worries. I got you. Right? Now you're going to go from the top of the ear to the center inside of the ear. Right? Just find a tender spot. Okay? And massage it for 60 seconds. 60 seconds. Right? This is, you got two caves. Cave up here and a cave down here. Down here. Okay, so you're going to go to the top of the cave first and massage it for 60 seconds. All right, 60 seconds. Oh, feeling even more relaxed. You can do this during the day. I'm just doing this as I'm recording it and I'm getting super relaxed. So now you're going to go to the bottom cave. Again, find the most tender spot. Okay, There's nerves in here that are connected to your vagus nerve. They're branches of your vagus nerve. Vagus nerve basically is the rest and digest. It stimulates your parasympathetic nervous system where you rest and digest, which is what you want. For me, my right ear is one ear is more sensitive than the other. It's okay. Just keep on massaging both, okay? You want to keep on massaging for 60 times. Okay, you're almost there, about to sleep. Let's finish it off with the earlobe. You're going to get the earlobe, wherever's tender. Earlobe. The earlobe mirrors your whole head. The ear is like a microsystem. There are nerves that are connected to your ear, that connect to your ear, are connected to your whole body, okay? But your earlobe specifically is for your brain. It mirrors your brain. So if you can find a tender spot in your earlobe, get some Buddha ears. Oh, it's really tender for me. And just massage. You may find multiple spots, and that's great. And just massaging, all right? Keep massaging, both. Massaging. Oh, you can do that for multiple spots on your ear and do it for 60 seconds. By this time, you're probably already conked out while you're watching this video, right? And it's great. But if you're not, don't worry. I'm going to record another sleep acupressure routine in the hand. There's many places in your body that you can do QRA to help you relax your body and get you to sleep, right? If you need additional help with getting your sleep back to normal, let's say your sleep is, you're just having a hard time sleeping consistently. You've taken the pills, they help, but you don't get good quality. If you want great quality sleep and you want your body to do it by itself, then you want to get my Restorative Sleep Guidebook. I created a guidebook. It contains some of the information that we tell our patients in our clinic. We help our patients regain their quality sleep, restorative sleep. Comment the word sleepy in the comments below, and my team will send you a link to get free access to my Restorative Sleep Guidebook.